By the way, I went off to the Harbor Freight store today and I was just looking to get a few things. Basically, I want to get some of these little flashlights. Honey Baby won a gift certificate from Rusty Acres a while back by going to his channel and entering a contest he had. And she went to the Harbor Freight store. It was a gift certificate to Harbor Freight. And she bought some stuff. One of the things she bought was one of these little tactical flashlights. And she just really kind of fell in love with it. And in fact, she did a video of demonstrating how it could be used as a weapon to hit somebody in the face and all this other stuff. But anyway, I was using hers the other day and I misplaced it, so I thought I'd go buy a few more. Of course, I did find hers. I'd set it down out here, but I thought it'd be better if I had one too. So I went down to Harbor Freight store because they had these on sale. It's like $8 for Black Friday or whatever they call that. And while I was looking around, I saw this. Now, this is a face shield. And I know my boy got a piece of wire, a piece of baling wire poked in his eyeball here a while back, and it's messed him up pretty bad. And I was thinking, dang, I hate wearing safety glasses, but I saw somebody, actually it's probably a cashier or something in one of these stores, and she was wearing a face shield. I thought, you know, that face shield would do the trick, because that way I wouldn't have to look through them little funky glasses, have my face sweat all over them while I'm trying to get work done and stuff. And I could wear something like this when I'm grinding. So I'm going to be grinding, because what I just did was I welded up these bolts that go through from the back side that hold these latches and things in place. Because what happens a lot of times with these self-threading bolts is if they vibrate, they'll vibrate and come loose. And I didn't want them coming loose, and I could put rivets, steel rivets in them, but I thought, well, I kind of like the looks of them. So what I did was I just came on the back with my welder just now and just put a little spot weld on the back of each one, and then I'm going to grind them off, because as they are, they're kind of sticking down. They would, this is going to be right there, but if you picked it up and rubbed your arm up against one of them, you cut your arm. And I thought, hey, this is a great time to try out my new face shield. So that's what I'm going to do here. If I can figure out how to put it on to here, I'm going to try it out. Oh, the joy. Let's see if we can figure this thing out. I might need to put the flashlight down. Y'all can watch if you want to. I don't mind. Alright, so these little catches on this thing turns so that you can put this on here. You put the top one right on that one. That very front one doesn't turn there. I don't think. Put that one right there. Maybe it does turn. I don't know. There we go. You put that shield on there, and the rest of it just works like a welding helmet. How about that? That look cool in that? I hope so. Otherwise, it would defeat the whole purpose. I'll be double safe, and I put on my gloves that Johnny Mac gave me. I seen he commented on something on YouTube this morning, just this morning. I seen a comment from him. Good fella. He's a good feller, as he is. All these tubers are good fellers, except the girls. I mean, y'all are good girls, are good women. Some women don't like to be called girls. I don't know why, but it is what it is. Some people are just more sensitive than others. You know. That's all I can say about that there. It's always a good idea to look around and make sure there ain't no gas cans nearby right after you start making sparks. I just noticed there's a couple more right over behind this lip that I didn't see, so I'm gonna reach over in there and just see if I can put a little quick spot weld on them too. Little places right there. Oh, I don't have my welding helmet on. Yeah, that's the thing. You get something like this on your head, and you forget that you ain't got your welding helmet on because it feels about the same, but it ain't. So let's set this aside here. That's a good deal right there. I like that a lot. I can find me a place to hang that up. Yeah, I'll put me a hook in here somewhere to hang that on. Right now, I'll just sit it up here. But I'll remind myself to come up here and get it later on and get me a hanger for it. Oh, joy. Oh, joy. Okay then, that should be good. Yeah, should be good. Yeah, I was gonna pull a hot rod out and hook to this trailer and pull this trailer out in the driveway there today, and then bring the Crosley in here and start messing around with the brakes. Well, I was walking past the Jeep and I thought, oh, let's just give that Jeep a little test start. Hit the starter, did the crank, messed around with it some more, and then some more, and then some more, and then some more, and then wound up going to the parts store, getting plugs that I already had, messed around with it some more. Said dang a few times, then dang again. Anyway, so now, I suppose I could squirt another coat of black paint. Undercoat up under here. I don't know if it needs it though. That'll be okay like it is. I'm thinking stainless steel bolt thingies there. Put this right back on here. I wanted to rub some I got some special homemade sauce to rub on all my rusty spots here. I suppose I could do that today too. Keep them from turning cancerous and all. In fact, I think I'll do that right now. Right now. I still hear the raindrops coming down. So some time ago I mixed me up some uncircumcised linseed oil. No, I didn't right. What do you call that? You call it hydromated linseed oil, some kind of linseed oil, pomulated linseed. I can't remember. Anyway, it's some kind of linseed oil and turpentine. It's not uncircumcised. Anyway. I mixed that up with some paint thinner and I rubbed it on a lot of stuff, but I noticed some of these rusty spots are starting to light up pretty good, so I'm going to just go around and dabble that on some more again on them rusty places, because it's good for it. Yeah, it is. 63, I mean, Mr. Heavy Chevy says it is. If you don't believe me, go ask him, because he done it. He done it on his truck too, on his wife's 56 Chevy truck. Get a flashlight out and show you how cool that looks. Oh, just look at it. Yeah. And it smells fresh like pine trees too. Holy joy. I know y'all want some of that. Oh, just do that with a paintbrush. I bet I got a paintbrush somewhere. That'd work better. Yeah, I don't know, I'm feeling all right. Dab it on there good and thick. Oh, that looks just lovely, don't it? Yeah, it does. Yeah. Like here, it's the paint, the rain ain't let up none, so I'm gonna recap my my special sauce here, and I guess put off until tomorrow what I was thinking I was going to do today, which was get that Crosley in here and take a look at them brakes on it. I'm sort of getting to the place where I'm reaching the end of my necessary projects, and what I mean by that is, you know, I wanted to finish this trailer when I got back from Georgia. And then I noticed the brakes was bad on the Crosley, and I wanted to fix that so that if the girls wanted to do a photo shoot with it, you know, it'd be easy to get out. And after that, I didn't really have a big plan except, you know, I've got some tile to put up in the ceiling in the house, and I was thinking I'd do that. You know, I feel like this thing's just about done. I'm not even sure what else will need to be done to it, if anything. I can't think of anything. And it may not take me too long to do the Crosley. That might leave me just about enough time to redo that ceiling. And that's going to involve getting, you know, cleaning the room out, get some scaffolding and standing on the scaffolding and puttying up all that whole ceiling. And then putting up those little tiles, which ain't that hard. It'll be good work. Sort of look forward to that. All right, I'm going to stop talking now. And I'm going to give up on it quitting rain. So I'm just going to go on in the house. Talk to y'all later. Love you. Bye.